Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of a product in your Squarespace store. This is really useful when you want to create more SEO-friendly links or simply make your product URLs cleaner and easier to share. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to navigate to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need admin access to make changes to your store's products. Once you're logged in and see your dashboard, simply click on the website you want to edit. This will take you into the back end of that specific site where you can manage all your content and products. Now look over to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Products and Services, and right underneath that option, you'll see Products. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all your store items are organized, making it easy to manage your inventory and product details. You'll now see a list of all your products displayed on the screen. Browse through and select the product whose URL you want to change. Once you've found it, click on the three dots beside the product name. This will open a small menu with several options. From that menu, click Edit. This opens up the full product editor where you can modify everything from descriptions to images and URLs. In the product editor, direct your attention to the left side menu again. Here you'll find various categories for editing different aspects of your product. Click on Marketing. This section contains all the tools you need to optimize how your product appears in search engines and how customers find it online. Within the Marketing section, you'll see an option labeled SEO and URL. Click Edit next to it. This is where you can fine-tune your product's search engine optimization settings and, most importantly for our purpose today, change the URL slug that appears in the browser when someone views this product. Now you'll see the URL field clearly displayed. This is where you can type in your new customized URL. Make sure your new URL is descriptive, relevant to the product, and doesn't contain any special characters or spaces. Use hyphens to separate words if needed. Once you've edited the URL to your satisfaction, click Apply to confirm your changes. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the editor. This ensures all your changes are stored and will go live on your store. Give it a moment to process and save everything properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the URL of your product in Squarespace, making it more optimized and easier to remember. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.